Ever wondered why golf balls have dimples? Well, these tiny indents reduce air resistance and help the ball travel up to twice as far as a smooth ball would. It's a surprising fact about these seemingly simple objects, isn't it? These dimples, in their unique arrangement and depth, hold a world of physics and engineering secrets. They're not just there for aesthetics, they are a result of careful design and manufacturing. Intrigued? So, let's dive into the fascinating process of manufacturing golf balls. The heart of every golf ball is its core. The process begins with a rubber compound that is heated and pressurized to form a solid sphere. This is no ordinary rubber, mind you. It's a carefully concocted blend designed for resilience and durability. The rubber compound is first heated to a very high temperature, turning it into a malleable state. Once in this state, the rubber is then molded into a perfectly round sphere under high pressure. This is a crucial stage as it sets the foundation for the golf ball's performance. The blend of rubber used and the pressure applied can greatly influence the distance a golf ball can travel. A softer core tends to absorb more energy, leading to a slower ball speed, while a harder core can result in faster ball speeds. And voila, we have our core ready. But the process is far from over. The next step is to encase the core. This involves a layer of plastic or rubber, which is heated and molded around the core. This outer shell, or casing, as it's often called, is anything but ordinary. This durable layer is designed to withstand the rigors of a powerful swing, yet flexible enough to offer a satisfying feel when struck just right. The process of encasing the core is a delicate dance of heat and precision. The material is heated to just the right temperature, making it malleable enough to be shaped around the core. This ensures a seamless fit, adding to the ball's overall durability and performance. But this step is not just about durability. It's also about the ball's performance. The casing affects how the ball reacts when struck, influencing distance, spin, and control. With the core encased, we're now ready for the final and perhaps the most defining step. Now comes the part that gives the golf ball its distinctive look, the creation of dimples. It's a fascinating process, really. It's not just about aesthetics. These dimples have a purpose, a very important one at that. They are the key to the golf ball's flight. You see, a smooth golf ball, while it might look nice, would not travel very far. The dimples on a golf ball are designed to minimize air resistance or drag and maximize lift. This is what allows the ball to fly further and straighter than it would otherwise. The process of creating these dimples is the final step in the manufacturing process. It involves placing the ball in a mold, which has hundreds of tiny cavities. The ball is then heated and pressurized, which forces the material into these cavities, creating the dimples. The dimple design is a science in itself. Each dimple is carefully designed and placed for optimal aerodynamics. The number and pattern of the dimples can vary, but they typically number between 330 to 500, depending on the brand and model of the ball. And it's not just the number, but also the depth and shape of the dimples that can affect the ball's flight. Yes, there's a lot more to these tiny indentations than meets the eye. And there you have it, a shiny new golf ball, complete with its aerodynamic dimples, ready to fly off the tee. So to sum up the process of manufacturing golf balls, it all begins with the creation of the core, a critical part of the golf ball that determines its feel and distance. This core is made from a blend of materials, carefully selected and molded into a perfect sphere. Next, we have the encasing of the core. This involves covering the core with a solid or dual layer, which contributes to the ball's durability and performance. Different materials are used for this casing, again carefully chosen to enhance the ball's characteristics. And then comes the fascinating part, the designing of dimples. These aren't just for aesthetics, oh no, dimples play a crucial role in the aerodynamics of the golf ball. They reduce air resistance, allowing the ball to travel farther. The number, size, and pattern of these dimples can greatly affect how the ball flies. Next time you hit a golf ball, remember the complex process it went through to reach you, and who knew dimples could be so important, right?